folks, I have a really cool baritone to show you today, number 862. The back and sides are some beautiful, curly, crazy walnut from here in the Hood River Valley. It's from a board that Chris from the mill dropped off. Top is Redwood. That's from that Tacoma boat shop we cleaned out a couple falls ago. Walnut up here for everything, walnut for the binding, very simple look. And then Spanish cedar and walnut for the neck. Spanish cedar came from a retiring builder. It's got a pickup, tuned low D. For a while I wasn't using Redwood, because when I first started out building, I had a few failures in Redwood tops. I had some cracks, I had some repairs that had to come back, and I thought, I'm just not using it. But then I think over the years I've just gotten smarter about which pieces of Redwood to use and which to not use. Now my track record has been perfect. I just really like using Redwood, and it sounds really good. And it's actually not as easy to dent as cedar is. It's still a really soft top. I mean, you'll scratch it up eventually, which I'm okay with, but I don't want to be the one to dent it in the shop before it goes out, right? So it's nice because it's a little stiffer than cedar. It's got an incredible sound. Yes, I'm going to stick with it. So I just really like the looks and vibe of this instrument, but also it just sounds good. Like, I would put this instrument up against any classical guitar that's out there. Yeah, it's going forever. So, 862 for Keith. I'm really pleased with it. Cheers.